Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something refreshing and healthy in store for you. In this video, we will be sharing the recipes and benefits of 3 delicious morning juices. These juices will not only kickstart your day but also provide a range of nutrients to keep you energized throughout. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Juice 1. Green Detox Juice. Host. Our first juice is the Green Detox Juice. Packed with leafy greens and cleansing ingredients, this juice is a great way to detoxify your body. Green Detox Juice. To make this juice, you'll need a handful of spinach, a cucumber, 1 green apple, half a lemon, and a piece of ginger. Show ingredients one by one. Host. Simply blend all the ingredients together until smooth, and there you have it, a refreshing and detoxifying green detox juice. Benefits of Green Detox Juice. Provides an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Helps in detoxifying the body by flushing out toxins. Supports digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Boosts the immune system due to the vitamin C content. Helps in weight management by providing low-calorie nutrition. Juice 2. Energizing Beetroot Juice. Host. Our second juice is the Energizing Beetroot Juice. If you're looking for a burst of energy in the morning, this juice is perfect for you. Energizing Beetroot Juice. Host. To make this juice, you'll need 2 beetroots, 1 carrot, 1 apple, and a small piece of ginger. Show ingredients one by one. Blend all the ingredients together, and voila! You have a vibrant and energizing beetroot juice. Benefits of Energizing Beetroot Juice. Improves athletic performance and stamina. Boosts blood flow and oxygenation in the body. Supports liver detoxification. High in antioxidants, promoting healthy skin. Can help lower blood pressure. Juice 3. Citrus Sunrise Juice. Host. Our third and final juice is the Citrus Sunrise Juice. With a refreshing combination of citrus fruits, this juice is sure to invigorate your senses. Citrus Sunrise Juice. To make this juice, you'll need 2 oranges, 1 grapefruit, and a pineapple. Show ingredients one by one. Host. Juice all the fruits together, and there you have it, a tangy and energizing Citrus Sunrise Juice. Benefits of Citrus Sunrise Juice. Rich in vitamin C, which supports immune health. Boosts collagen production for healthy skin. Provides a good amount of dietary fiber. Promotes hydration due to its high water content. Can aid in digestion and alkalize the body. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 3 healthy morning juices and their benefits. Incorporating these juices into your morning routine can be a great way to start your day on a nutritious note. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is making small but impactful changes. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Cheers to your health and happiness. See you next time.